Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to change your country on Instagram. First, you want to go and open the Instagram application on your phone. Then you want to go and click on your profile icon on the bottom right side. Then you want to go and click on the hamburger icon on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on business tools and controls. Then you want to go and click on switch type account and click on switch to business account and make sure that you have it a business account. Now you want to go back, then go and click on edit profile. Then you should scroll down. Then you want to go and click on contact options. Then click on business email address or business address. Then add here the location. Enter the town and city and enter the postal code. So let's say that I will type California, for example, and it will be displayed just like so. And I will choose exactly Roseville in California. And you just have to click on this correct icon on or the check button on the top right side. And if you want to remove the address, just click on remove right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.